Good morning, students. I hope you people are all good. I welcome you all in civics class today and we'll continue with our chapter Media, the Mainstay of Democracy. In the last session, we have seen how money plays an important role in improving technology in media and also advertisements as the biggest source of income of media. Now we will move on to our next topic, and the topic today is media and democracy. And the learning outcomes for the same are the students will be able to explain the role of media as a watchdog of democracy. Children, in a democracy, as you all know, we have the right to choose our representatives, and media through TV, newspaper, radio, it keeps a check on those representatives and it stays alert, active, and they do welfare for the people, and media highlights all the negative and the positive points of representatives. Students, you'll be able to write about the various means of media informing public opinion. Public opinion means when we form an opinion or a view on the basis of the information provided by the media, and you will also be able to state the reason why media should provide a balanced and impartial information to the people. The media must give correct news and it should not give one-sided account of the things. It should give all the negative and the positive points of the news. It should not favor anyone. Dear students, Indian media plays an important role in creating aware citizens. It is the main source of information. It shows interviews, speeches, and panel discussions. People come to know about political parties, famous people from various fields through media only. Beta, people become aware of many things only by watching TV, listening to radio, reading newspapers. People come to know about the plans and the programs of the government, and if the government is successful or whether it has failed in reaching out to the people, they come to know about from panel discussions or from the interviews. बेटा, टीवी पर ऑडियो विजुअल फैसिलिटी बहुत अच्छी होती है. इसकी वजह से वी इंजॉय all the programs shown on the TV and we gain from those programs also. In a democracy, all adult citizens have been given the right to vote and speak on an issue. Media, besides informing people, also gives a platform or a place where people can express or raise their voice or views about the policies of the government or about various issues. People keep a check on the policies of the government through media, and if people are not happy with their work, they protest also. All this is shown by the media, and the government at times rethink about its programs. Beta, when people are not satisfied, वो protest करते हैं in the form of signature campaign, candle march, they block the roads also, and they organize rallies. इसीलिए opposition or ruling party, they keep in touch with the people and they try to influence them in their favor. Media exposes dishonest people in the society. It also brings out corrupt ways of the ruling as well as opposition parties. It makes us aware and enlightened citizens by informing us about problems like scarcity of clean drinking water, lack of health facilities, crime and violence, illiteracy, broken roads, etc. And it keeps a check on the government through these things. Media shows all this on TV and it upholds the democratic values. So here students, first learning outcome has been achieved and you are able to explain the role of media as a watchdog of democracy. Children, media, besides informing, educating and entertaining us, it helps people in forming their opinion about the plans and policies of the government, both their success and failure. Public opinion here means the views of the people on common issues that affect the society. Whenever we watch something on TV, we form our opinion of that thing. Students, now we will see how different means of media help in forming public opinion. Beta, television or newspaper reporters, they are very active in the field and they are ready to cover the rallies या कोई protest march या कोई meetings या interviews. They are always on the move. Whatever doubts people are having about the policies of the government or the promises done during the elections, they always ask the questions from the government officials. And we make our opinion on the basis of the things shown on the TV. How does print media help us in forming public opinion? In newspapers, lot of letters, editorials, articles, they are published regarding the policies of the government or various other social, economic, political issues और उसकी वजह से we form our opinion regarding that. People enjoy looking at the appealing pictures, cartoons, graphs, maps in the print media. They are easily available and people love to read them and make their opinion regarding different problems. Dear children, whatever we see in the electronic or print media, we make some kind of views in our minds and it affects the way we look at things. Dear children, at times in rural areas, people are not that illiterate and that is why they love to watch TV or listen to the radio. They find it more convenient. A lot of discussion is held on the new policies introduced by the government or on agriculture, business, or something wrong done by the village heads. If the facilities are not provided to the people, the media even then also brings out the defects of the government through discussions shown on the TV and on radio also. Children, we come to know about the lead content in noodles, pesticides in colas, and also during the present times it discusses about the arrangements done by the government to deal with COVID-19. So these all influence our thoughts, views and ideas. Likewise, Indian cinema creates awareness about the social problems, wrong things in politics or something wrong happening to the people in the society. Children, some movies impart important messages and they inspire us like Mary Kom, Dangal, and they tell us how one should go after one's dream and fulfill it. During elections also, the electronic media helps the people in forming their opinion about the political parties and they help them in the right to vote. Many movies are exempted from tax like Lage Raho Munna Bhai. This movie was exempted from tax by the government as it taught the lesson of non-violent protest. Some other movies which inspire and motivate us. These kind of movies inspire us to do something good for ourselves and for the society. Beta, local channels also play a very important part in making up the opinion of the people and providing information to them, and that is why regional channels are there. Like in Punjab, so many channels are available at the local level. So dear children, you have achieved your second learning outcome, and that is you will be able to write about the various means of media informing public opinion. So now, what is a balanced and an impartial media? A balanced media is one that discusses all points of views of the story and leaves it to the readers to make up their mind. It means that no one should control or influence its coverage of news and nobody should be telling the media what to telecast and not to telecast. Media, while giving news, should not be hiding anything, should not be lying about anything, and it should be true in passing on the information. Now children, media must give correct news to the people and it should not give one-sided view of the things. More debates and discussions must be shown by the media on various current issues to educate people. लोगों को ताकि पता चले कि उसके नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स क्या हैं. It must not twist or change the news. On the basis of the information that media gives, we as citizens take action and it should be reliable and not biased. किसी को फेवर करती हुई न्यूज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. मीडिया शुड गिव न्यूज़ विच इज़ टोटली अनबायस्ड, impartial and balanced. Media must highlight the negative and the plus points of the news and should leave it to the readers to make up their mind. Now the question is, should we believe whatever media shows or should we believe it immediately? We must look at all other points of the views also. Should we do that? And the answer is no, we should not believe whatever media shows and we must look at all other points of views so that we come to the right conclusion. Children, अगर मीडिया हमें biased न्यूज़ देगा, then the people might take wrong decisions during elections. People of one religion might do something wrong against the other religion. And if the government is doing good work, media must praise it and act responsibly. Biased here means that the media should not favor any one political party. True things must be shown to the people so that communal harmony is promoted and the welfare of people is done. People stay united in the democratic country. With this, students, you have achieved your third learning outcome, and now you are able to state the reason why media should provide balanced and impartial information to the people. Now, students, you will be solving one Google form sheet sent to you.